Today we discuss about the hydrogen spectrum. As we know, there are the various energy levels are present in hydrogen. Let you assume that we heat an hydrogen atom. Due to the excess of the heat, that electron is absorb some amount of the energy and occupy higher energy levels except ground state. When we allow to cool down those atoms on that time, that electron emit its energy in the form of the electromagnetic waves, and electron is start to come in lower energy levels, and finally that electron is settled down in first energy level, that is also known as the ground state. In this process, when we analyze these waves, those emitted waves under a microscope, we obtain so many lines. These lines are known as a spectrum lines. So today we calculate how many spectral lines are there, what are the types of those spectrum lines. Let's see. If a electron it jumps from the infinite orbit to first orbit, or instead of the infinite, let me consider from the seventh orbit. Electron it jumps from the seventh orbit to first orbit. Maybe electron may jump from sixth into first, maybe that electron jumps from fifth, maybe that electron jumps from fourth, or maybe from the third, or maybe from the second. No matter from which energy levels electron is start to jump, but it is matter that electron is finally occupy the ground state. In this process, the group of the spectrum lines, those we obtain, this group is known as the Lyman series. This series is known as the Lyman series of spectrum lines. This one is known as the Lyman series of spectrum lines. Now look, when from the seventh electron jumps in second, from sixth in second, from fifth in second, from fourth in second, and from third, that is comes in second. On that time, this group of spectrum lines is known as Balmer series. That is known as the Balmer series. If your electron it jumps in third energy level from any other energy level, on that time that is known as the Paschen series. This one is known as the Paschen. If your electron jumps in fourth from energy at any energy level, this one is known as the Bracket series. When your electron it jumps in fifth orbit, on that time the series is known as the Phone series. So many spectrum line series we obtain in that case. The Lyman series that is present in ultraviolet region. So this one is not visible by naked eyes. But the Balmer series is present in visible region. So Balmer series spectrum lines are visible by naked eyes, and the rest are present in infrared region. Rest are present in the infrared region. So these are the spectrum lines we obtain when electron it jumps from any energy level to first energy level. The energy is the Lyman series. The series of the spectrum line is known as the Lyman series. Same way, electron jumps in the second from energy level, on that time Balmer series. When electron jumps from any energy level to the third energy level, Paschen, Bracket, Hund, like this type of the energy levels or spectrum lines we obtain. Now we find out some formula how we calculate these spectrum lines. The best and the simplest formula, you may have read about some formula when electrons jumps from the any orbit into the first orbit, or maybe you read about some formula when electron it jumps not in the first orbit, jumping in the another orbit. There are the complex formulas are there, but today I tell you a best and the simple formula for the spectrum lines. The formula is, look, number of spectrum lines is equals to sigma del n. It is free from any kind of the jump. You have not pressure on your mind कि इलेक्ट्रॉन जंप कहाँ से ले रहा है, किस में आ रहा है, फर्स्ट ऑर्बिट में आ रहा है, सेकंड में आ रहा है, कहाँ से आ रहा है. You are completely tension free about that. The formula is simply sigma del n. Look with the example. Let I take the first example. Electron it jumps from the 7th orbit to first orbit. 7th एनर्जी लेवल से फर्स्ट एनर्जी लेवल में इलेक्ट्रॉन हमारा जंप कर रहा है. नंबर ऑफ द स्पेक्ट्रम लाइन्स ऑन दैट टाइम, द नंबर ऑफ द स्पेक्ट्रम लाइन्स इज सिग्मा del n mean 7 minus 1, 7 minus 1. So this one value is the sigma 6, and sigma 6 mean 6 plus 5 plus 4 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1. So 6 and 5 11, 4 15, 8 18, 20 and 21 spectrum lines you obtain. Look in this diagram how many spectrum lines. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20, and this one is the 21st line when electron jumps from 7th to 6th. If you have another transition like this, when your electron it jumps from 6th to 2nd, इलेक्ट्रॉन कहाँ से कहाँ आ रहा है हमारा, from the 6th energy level to 2nd energy level. On that time the number of the spectrum lines is sigma 6 minus 2, that is sigma 4. Sigma 4 mean 4 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1. 4 and 3 7, 7 and 2 9, 9 and 1 10. You obtain that 10 spectrum line. So this is the best and the simplest formula and the shortest formula to find out the number of the spectral lines, and that formula is the sigma del n. Formula is our sigma del n. By this formula you can find out the energy, the number of the spectrum lines of any transition. Let's we do some numerical problems, those are related with this one. First we find out, as we know, 1 upon lambda is equals to r 1 upon n1 square minus 1 upon n2 square for hydrogen atom. For the hydrogen atom the value of the z is 1, so z square is equals to 1. So 1 upon lambda is equals to r 1 upon n1 square minus 1 upon n2 square. Let's we discuss about the Lyman series. Lyman series. For the Lyman series, the value of n1 is fixed, that is the 1. Now the value of the n2 that is not fixed, that is depends on the numerical, किस nature का हमारे पास numerical आ रहा है. If numerical say electron it jumps from the second orbit, then find out the wavelength of initial line. If electron it jumps from the second orbit, on that time the n2 value is a 2. Now look, 1 upon lambda is equals to r, square of the 1 is 1, square of the 2 is 4. So 1 upon lambda is equals to r, LCM of this one is the 4. So 4 minus 1, 1 upon lambda is equals to r into 3 by 4, or lambda is equals to 1 upon r into 4 by 3. In the previous video I told you that you should remember the value of the 1 upon r. The value of the 1 upon r is 912 into 4 by 3. Now cancel this 912 by 3. 3 3 जा 9 and 3 4 जा 12. 304 multiplied by 4. 4 4 जा 16 and 4 3 are 12. So 1216 angstrom is the wavelength that is related with transition when electron is moving from second orbit to first orbit. When electron is moving from second orbit to first orbit, on that time this is the wavelength. That value is the 1216 angstrom. Most of the time एग्जाम में क्या क्वेश्चन पूछा जाता है, find out which one is the longest wavelength and which one is the shortest wavelength for which transitions. कि इलेक्ट्रॉन के लिए सबसे बड़ा wavelength कब बनेगा, which type of the transition, and which one is the shortest wavelength. Now look, we are dealing with the same problem, the Lyman series. The wavelength formula, as we know that your formula is del E is equals to hc upon lambda. Look, in this formula we can easily conclude that del E is directly proportional to 1 upon lambda. If energy level difference increases, on that time the value of the lambda decreases. Del E is increases, on that time the value of the lambda is decreases. So look for the max lambda and for minimum lambda. When we obtain the max lambda, look in this formula. When we obtain the max lambda is maximum, on that time your del E should be minimum. Del E should be minimum. That means if we are dealing with the Lyman series, on that time, in which case your del E is minimum. This energy level is minimum, or this energy difference level is the minimum, or this one is the minimum. It is quite visible that this difference is the minimum. दूसरे energy levels पे जाएंगे, the value of the del E increases, so lambda decreases. So this one is the minimum energy level. So your lambda maximum when your energy level difference is minimum. When your energy level difference is minimum for the Lyman series, when the transition takes place from second orbit to first orbit, and the vice versa. Reciprocal is true for this one statement. Lambda minimum क्या कह रहा है, that your energy difference should be maximum, and your energy difference should be maximum only possible when a transition takes place from infinite orbit to first orbit for the Lyman series. This is true for the Lyman. If question say find out for the Balmer series, on that time this 1 is replaced by the 2 and this 2 replaced by the 3. So for the Balmer, the minimum energy level difference is occurred when electron jumps from third to second, and for maximum del E is maximum and lambda is the minimum. For that, when your electron transition takes place from infinite to second. So by this one we easily find out the maximum wavelength and minimum wavelength, and we put this formula and value in this formula, and we find out wavelength and wave numbers.